Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to block unknown numbers on Samsung C55 5G device. Well, blocking unknown numbers can help you avoid harassment calls from unknown callers. By blocking unknown numbers, you can prevent unwanted communication and maintain a sense of security and peace of mind. Okay, so let's go to the tutorial. Well, to begin, open the dialing app on your device to access the call settings. Okay, so here tap on the three dots located at the corner of the screen to reveal additional options. Then, select the settings option from the menu. And within the settings, navigate to the block numbers feature. And then, turn it on to enable this function. Okay, enabling the block numbers feature allows you to block specific phone numbers from contacting you, providing a way to manage unwanted calls effectively. And also, by activating this feature, you can prevent calls from designated numbers, enhancing your control over incoming calls and improving your overall calling experience. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to block unknown numbers on Samsung C55 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.